Keeping the kids entertained while still fueling their imagination in a healthy, proactive way is every parent's challenge. Ditch the smartphone and grab our canvas art glitter from Funskool Handicrafts. Inside this kit, you'll find everything your budding artist needs. 6 vibrant paints and 2 glitter paints that will add a dazzling touch of sparkle and shine. A frame and stand to display their masterpiece like the art gallery it deserves. And 4 exciting designs to choose from. It's so simple as the canvas has grids. With the easy grid technique, your child can bring their vision to life one sparkling square at a time. It's like a puzzle, but with so much color and joy it also has artistic beauty. As every design turns into a shimmering work of art, you will see your child's imagination truly take flight. When the art is finally done, it's time to show it off. With the included frame and stand, your little Picasso's work can shine bright just like them. This exciting activity builds focus, patience, and gives them a sense of accomplishment. Funskool Handicrafts Canvas Art Glitter. Funskool, true to kids always.